Hi everyone, we have been very busy around the farm and look what's happened. This one, what happened?
I'm going to have to get the ladder.
You need a ladder to cut this
ladder.
banana. Oh dear, oh it's going to help him too. Okay, ready? Oh dear, go on darling.
Go on, hon. Stay there.
It's very tall banana. Ooh, Cavendish bananas. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness, everyone, it's very heavy. It's heavy though. Banana, Cavendish. This happened during the storm. It was windy a couple of weeks ago. Snapped.
It's even worse. It's my size of banana, this one. I can get this one.
Oh dear, darling, watch out the thorn.
Oh, I can get
Your knees.
reach this one.
Yes.
It's going to be a struggle.
Must be very heavy.
Oh, too heavy.
You'll have a chance to grow, yes.
I think you have one bite and you'll eat about 5 of those.
Rusty, come to help.
The Rusty size.
Rusty!
Rusty, you want a banana?
Oh dear.
Oh, we have banana?
Banana?
No, banana? Little doggy sized banana? No? Little doggy sized banana.
Oh dear. Ooh.
Right, do your job. Go on. Back you go.
Oh dear. Yeah.
Back to the farm.
Oh, okay,
To the
good
house.
boys.
Oh, you any better?
Rusty's
No.
turn.
Get
No.
off me. Get off my fur, my Goldilocks. Such a little princess.
He is. So excited. I think they probably smell something. Oh. Oh. Be careful, doggies.
I have to get her on your shoulders for that one, maybe.
It's not that tall, darling. It's ridiculous.
Get on mine.
It's not that tall. It's taller than you.
It's taller than me, so it's got to be at least, what, 5 foot, something?
Oh, come on. Upsy daisy.
Oh, who left that there?
To support the banana.
You're trying to kill me, ain't you?
No.
Trying to bump me off.
Oh, yes.
Bump me off.
Blaming me all the time. Keep blaming on me. Oh. Damn it, he knew it.
Something Really? Oh, well. Just give me a hint, ain't there? Oh, yeah. No good.
I don't know what kind of flower is this. One afternoon, my husband and I was driving on the road. I jumped out and collect one handful of dry seeds, bring home with us and grow from it. Very bright, colorful. And these the spring onions. The seeds are ready to be collected soon, I hope. And then I will grow from seed like this one. These are growing from seeds. It's about 1 month old now. Not long until I can put into one of the bedding in our farm. That's all the bananas that are ready to be collected, harvested now. We'll move on to our next job and things to do around the farm. Here I have 50% shade cloth. I'm going to wrap around the peppercorn. It needed. It's really warm. It's hot season. My husband planted the black peppercorns here. One plant we purchased from one of the Loei market. If I remember correctly, it's about 70 baht. It was the perfect location underneath the tree here. Not too much sun. That was last year we planted. This is the first hot season we approached as a farmer growing properly. A couple of years ago is about our learning curves and stuff like that. To be honest, every day is still our learning. We're learning every day around our farm. So this 50% shade cloth will help protect during the hot season because the sun and the heat in the air is so warm. I'm going to tidy up the shade cloth with the homemade string from the banana. I hope this will help the black peppercorn plants. Hopefully it stays cooler during the day and stay out of the full direct sun. Apparently, we've been told by the lady who sold this plant to us, it's about once we plant in the ground for 1 year, it should produce the flowers and black peppercorns. It's our first year growing anyway, so we'll soon find out. Let's come and check on the tilapias quickly. My husband did feed them this morning, so they've been fed. Hello tilapias, where are you? There they are. They are getting bigger and bigger, but not full size yet. This is a proper hot season and the first year after the pond has been dug. See, the water in the pond is gone right down. We can see underneath. It is quite shallow, to be honest, but hopefully the rainy season come and we collect more water. These chili plants is producing the chilies, and next step I'm going to spray with a homemade feeding liquid fertilizer. It's made from the rice water. I have to excuse myself and go to do some work, everyone. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again in the next episode. Bye for now. Please take care, everyone.